Hi friends, welcome to the chapter 2 of Node.js tutorials. Before we start with the APIs, we will go through few core concepts of Node.js. They are must while you are developing a Node application. So let's start. Global object. Imagine the global object as a magical box that contains everything you need to run your Node application. It's a special object that's accessible from anywhere in your Node application. There is no need to install it separately. So it comes with your Node.js installation package itself. Some of the most common properties and methods from global objects are console, set timeout, set interval, and so on. Let's check how to use few of the properties from global object. Continuing the Node tutorials project from chapter 1. In chapter 1, we understood how to create a node project using npm script. Now, let's continue with the global objects. Console is one of the methods from global object. We know how to write a console.log. So, let us run this project and see the output of the application. So, to run the node application, we have to write node and the file name, which is index.js in my case, and press enter. So we can see hello friends in the terminal, which is the line number one console.log. So this is the first function. Now let's check the other method or functions which are available in the global object. So let's continue with set interval. So I'm writing set interval. This is the function and this is the interval time. So here we have to write in milliseconds. So 3000 milliseconds goes to 3 seconds. Now let us write some console here. Again from console is from global object. Set interval is working fine. Save the file. Now let's run node index.js and enter. We can see first hello friends, which is from line number one, and now set interval is working fine. And as you can see, it is repeating the console in every 3 seconds, which is because we have used this set interval function and given the interval of 3 seconds. So whatever code is written inside the block of set interval, it will execute within the specified intervals. So this is set interval. Let's stop the project. It won't stop unless we stop it manually. Now let's check the set timeout. I'm clearing the console, removing the set interval, and instead writing set timeout. Set timeout is written in the same way. The function name, function, and the timeout. Timeout here is again in milliseconds, so we will write 3000 for 3 seconds. Console.log. Oops, set timeout is working. Now, once I run the application, you have to notice the difference between the set interval and set timeout. So, saving the file, running the project using node space index.js and enter. So here we can see hello friends, which is from line number one, and set timeout is working, which is from line number four. But we can see the set timeout is working this specific string only once. But in the case of set interval, it was coming again and again. Why? Because this set timeout function is executed only once after the specified interval or the timeout. And set interval, the block of code is executed within every interval mentioned here. Thank you for watching the video. Please let me know your feedback in the comment section. If the video is helpful, click on like button. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on new videos coming in.